Here is a quick tutorial on using Flippity.net. If you've never used Flippity before, there are so many tools here. These little rectangles is a tool available from Flippity. And one that is awesome to use is the Flippity Random Name Picker. To see what it does, you can click on Demo in any of the boxes, and it's going to open a demonstration for you. Obviously not the kids' names in your class, but you can try it out. So it goes to a wheel that you can spin. It will land on a name and tell you the person's name. But you can also choose just to show a single name. You can show a lineup so that we're on Jack, but Dustin knows he's up next for whatever the activity is. You can also ask it to make you groups. Make groups of 4. If you're like, oh, these groups aren't good, you can just hit shuffle and it'll shuffle them for you. You can have it make you teams, have it make other things, and there's even a more option. So in order to create something in Flippity.net, once you find one that you like, you just click on the template button. Just so you know, on each of these, as you can tell, it says instructions. So you can click on those instructions and get written out instructions detailed step by step for what you need to do. If I wanted to do the random name picker, I can click on template, and it is going to say, would you like to make a copy of the template? And I make a copy, and it is just going to be a simple Google Sheets that you can type in your students' names. So instead of the silly names that they put, you could copy and paste from a spreadsheet you have of your kids' names, or you could simply delete these and then type in your students' names. And so, oops. So I've got those. The next step is important. You're going to go to File, Publish to the Web. You say publish. It's going to say, are you really sure? You say okay and close out this box. And then you go to the very bottom. This little box is in the way. It won't be on yours, but there's a second tab that says get your link here. And then it's made a link for you, and it has made that website for you, and it's going to stay there forever. So there's my names that I just put in, and I can do that lineup or the groups. I can spin, and I've got it done. Isn't that awesome? So not only do they have the name picker, which is great, they also have things like the Flippity Scavenger Hunt, which is basically a breakout EDU that all you have to do is in a spreadsheet, put the questions and the clues. They've got another one that's amazing is the Flippity Quiz Show, and I'm actually going to demo this one for you. It's basically Jeopardy. So if you've got 4 teams, you could start right away. If you need more teams, you push the plus sign, and I can have 5 teams. If I want to do all my table groups, I could have 6 teams. Maybe I just split my class in half and need 2 teams. Team 1 goes and says, I want movies for 100. What is the best movie of all time according to the AFI? I have no idea, but I'm going to say team 1 said Casablanca. We click one more time. Oh, it was Citizen Kane. So if you do an X, that's going to give them negative points. So you can decide as a teacher if you want to record that X or just leave it as you didn't get it right. But what you need to know is if they get it right, who played Yoda in The Empire Strikes Back? A little green dude. I got that wrong, but let's pretend I got Frank Oz right. Team 2, I would give a +2. What's awesome is it keeps score for me. That 200 points is now a part of my score. So if you want to make one of your own topics, your own questions, we're going to go back to not the demo, but we're going to choose in that Flippity Quiz Show, the template again. And look how simple this is. It's the same exact thing. I'm going to make a copy of the template. And once that spreadsheet pops open, all I have to do is make the template my own by changing the words here. So instead of category 1 being world capitals, I'm going to change category 1 to be about me, Meredith Akers. And then I'm going to say here a question about me. What color is Meredith's hair? And if you don't know me, my hair is red. So pretend I went through and changed all of these. Again, the step is File, Publish to the Web, Publish. I really mean it. And you close it out. And then down here, you're going to say, get the link here. And then Flippity has made a website for you. And it's going to pop up that website. Now it's going to look the same, except that category that I changed, Meredith Akers for 100, please. What color is Meredith's hair? Red. Good job, team 1. Isn't that awesome? So it is so easy and super awesome. Another one that you guys might like is the Flippity spelling words. Check out this demo of the spelling words. You can type in your list by category. So you can do, like if you have a red group and a green group and they were silly and said, this is the Elmo group, this is the Bert group. So if I go to the Bert group.
Between B, E, T, W, E-E-N.
So as a kiddo, I can listen to them in the list view. I can practice them.
Between.
It told me spell between.
Good.
I got it right. I'm going to get the next one wrong.
Chicken. Oops. Chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N.
And as you can see, I can also, after I'm done practicing, take a quiz. There's even more options that I can do with those same words. So Flippity.net is amazing. It has so many great things. Check out all of the different tools. Hope you enjoy using Flippity.net.